Jeevan Dhara Trust, Carmel School and Hostel, supported by Child Fund India. Every child's upbringing is related to his impending future. Only if his upbringing is good will he be able to fight adversity and build a bright future. But if there is deficiencies in the child's upbringing, then the child's future is downed into darkness. Child Fund India works with the poor and underprivileged children of our society to help them brighten their future. The Jharkhand Adivasi dominated Chakradharpur area is one prime example. 3 decades ago, Chelabeda village was very backward. The people were uneducated. This is the reason why even after independence, these villages were leading the life of slaves. It was amidst this is the Child Fund India stepped in. They sought to salvage the childhood, which was somehow being lost in the dust and grime. The sponsors financially helped Child Fund India immensely to improve the future of the children. It was with this support that Child Fund India took up health as well as education in the village. Children were fed and they were also taught. Many children are today on their feet because of the help rendered to them by Child Fund India. One of these many children from Chelabeda is Badrinath. The child who was tending to cattle, today he is teaching children in his village about the importance of education. He was unable to speak frequently earlier. Today he is encouraging children to take up education. He has taken up the responsibility of his entire family. The child who would hide from people earlier is today a confident young man teaching the way of leading a good life. He has taken up Child Fund India's mission as his own. His family and his village are proud of the steps he has taken.
बद्री हमारे इस चेलाबड़ा के गांव के छोटे बचपन से ही इसको जान रहे हैं। ये बहुत गरीब परिवार के लड़के हैं और बहुत मुश्किल से ये बचपन में जीवन यापन कर रहे थे, लेकिन जब से चाइल्ड फंड इंडिया से संपर्क हुआ उस दिन से धीरे धीरे इसका जो गरीबी अवस्था था बदल गया और इसका पढ़ाई लिखाई में आगे बढ़ते गया।
जब मुझे गोद लिया गया, मेरा परिवार की स्थिति बहुत ही ख़राब थी, जो कि हमारे परिवार में खाने के लिए अच्छा भोजन नहीं मिल पाता था, पहनने के लिए कपड़ा नहीं मिल पाता था और पढ़ाई लिखाई करने के लिए कॉपी किताब नहीं मिल पाता था। लेकिन उस स्थिति में हमको चाइल्ड फंड इंडिया ने हमको हर चीज़ मदद किया।
तार बाप गुजर जाइए और से दुईटा छुआ तो बाहर जगह नहीं छुआ और ऐसे जहाँ गहार भी यहाँ करुची और पढ़ुची जे अलग हमके भोर लगुची ताकि और हमें तो काम पाठ करी नहीं पारुची और मुझ भी दे नहीं पारुची तार बुद्धि रह जाती तो करी पारुची
घर पूरा सही नहीं देखते।
हाँ देखो
Child Fund India Chakradharpur branch is looking out for more such needy children to enhance their future. Will you be their mission? Will you help give them a better future? We are waiting.